Hello, welcome to Prakash Academy. Today we are going to do NCERT Class 8 Maths Exercise 2.5 all questions one by one. So the first question we have, that is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So basics of equations we have done. So if any doubt you have, you can watch the videos of Prakash Academy and basics will be clear. What I am going to do, I am going to write down the variables on the left hand side. Variables means like x, y, z, a, b, c. So like x by 2 and this will come on the left hand side. So it will be minus x by 3 equal constant or the numbers on the right hand side. So 1 by 4, this minus will come this side. So plus 1 by 5. What we can do? We can find the LCM of 2, 3. We can simplify the LHS. We can find the LCM of 4 and 5. We can simplify the RHS. Or what we can do? We can find the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. And that will be easy. So I'll find the LCM 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2, 1, 3, 2, 5. Now 3 to 5, they don't have any common factor. We don't count 1. So now the LCM is multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 5s are 60. So we got LCM as 60. So all the denominator we have to convert into 60. So x by 2 into 30 into 30 minus x by 3 into 20 into 20 equal 1 by 4 into 15 plus 1 by 5 into 12 into 12. So now I got 30x minus 20x by 60 equal 15 plus 12 by 60. Now 60 we have both sides on the place of denominator, then that will be cancelled. That's why I did all the numbers or all the LCM together. Now 30 minus 20, I got 10x equal 15 plus 12, 27. Then x will be 27 by 10. And if you are going to convert as a mixed fraction, then divide. 10 2s are 27. So I can write it as 7 by 10. So the answer for this question is 27 by 10. In improper fraction or in the mixed fraction, it is 7 by 10. Now, second question is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal 21. So 21 I can write it as 21 by 1. You can leave it as 21, or if you want to write 1 as a denominator, you can write. Now 2 4 6 1 or 2 4 6, because 1 means nothing when we are going to find the LCM. Then 2 4 6, when you find the LCM, it will be 12. So LCM is going to, I'll write here, LCM will be 12. So the denominator we have to convert into 12. So n by 2 into 6 into 6. Now how I got 6? So if the LCM, that is 12, if you divide by 2, you'll get 6. Same way, if 12 you divide by 4, you will get 3. And divide by 6, you'll got 2. If you want to convert as 12, then also you can do, that will be easy. So 1 into 12, you got the LCM, and then this also we have to multiply with 12. Because all the variables we had on the left hand side, so we did like this. Now 6n minus 3 into 3, 9n, 5 2. 5 2s are 10n, and divide by 4 into 3, 6 into 2, and 6 into 2, you got 12. And 21 into 12 by 12. Again, when the denominators of two fractions are equal, then we can cancel that one when we have equal sign. Now 6n plus 10n, 16n minus 9n, you got 7n equal 21 into 12. Don't simplify, don't multiply, because we have to do cancellation. So n equal 21 into 12 by 7. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. Now when you multiply, 12 threes are 36. For the second question, the value of n equal 36. Now this is question number 3. So in this also we'll write the variables on one side of equal sign and the constant on the other side of equal sign. So variable I am going to do on the left hand side. So x minus 8x by 3, this is also variable, plus 5x by 2, and constant 17 by 6 we have already on the right hand side, minus, sorry, this plus will come this side, so minus plus 7 will be minus 7, and I can write it as minus 7 by 1. Now x means x by 1. Now 1, 3, 2, 6, 1. So we can find the LCM together, 3 to 6. So the LCM is equal to 6. All the denominator we have to convert into 6. So x by 1 into 6 minus 8x by 3 into 2 plus 5x by 2 into 3 into 3. That is already 6. So nothing we have to do. Minus 7 by 1 into 6 into 6. Now we got all the denominator as 6. We got as a like fraction. Now 6x minus 8 into 2, 16x plus 5, 3, 15x divided by 6 equals 17 minus 7 into 6, 42 by 6. Again 6 got cancelled. Simplify. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 minus 16, we got 5x equal 17 minus 42. When we simplify, so we'll get minus 25. Then x will be minus 25 divided by 5. 5 ones are, 5 fives are. So the value of x equal minus 5 for this question. Now we have question number 4. X minus 5 by 3 equal x minus 3 by 5. What we can do? We can find the LCM of 3 and 5. That will be 15. That also we can do. And when equal sign we have, and when we got this type of questions, always do cross multiplication. That will be easy. Cross multiplication means this into this. It means 5 into x minus 5 equal 3 into x minus 3. Now simplify the bracket. 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 5, minus 25. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Now again the same thing, variables on the left hand side. 5x, this 3x will come this side, so minus 3x. Minus 9 we have, minus 25 will come this side, plus 25. 5x minus 3x, I got 2x, and minus 9 plus 25, then 25 minus 16, this is plus, so I got 16. So x equal 16 by 2, 1s are, 8s are. So x equal 8. So for question number 4, the value of x equal 8. Now next question, that is question number 5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal 2 by 3 minus t. When we do this type of question, always remember like they will be inside a bracket. Think like that. Then only we will get the right answer each and every time. T means t by 1. Again I am going to do all the variables on the left hand side. So it means 3t minus 2 by 4. Think it like that. Minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3, and minus t will come this side. So t by 1 equal 2 by 3. Now 4, 3 and 3. So 3 is coming 2 times. So we can consider 1 time to find the LCM. and the LCM of 4 and 3, their co-prime 4 3s are 12. So I'll write in the side LCM equal 12. So now I have to multiply, or I have to convert the denominator as 12. So here only I can do into 3. Then this total we are going to multiply with 3. That's why I did in the bracket. And 3 into 4 equal 12. So this total we are going to multiply with 4. 1 into 12, then t into 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then this also we are going to multiply with 4. Now simplify the bracket. Then 3 into 3, 9t. 3 into minus 2, 6. Now be careful, because minus we have. Minus 4 into 2, we got minus 8t, minus plus minus, minus 12. Plus 12t, this is 12t, and the LCM, it's a like fraction, we convert it, so 12 will come only once. Unequal, 4 2s are 8 by 12. Again 12, 12, that will be cancelled. Now simplify. 9t minus 8t, we got t. t plus 12t, you got 13t. Minus 6 minus 12, minus 18 equal 8. So we got 13t equal 8. This minus will come this side, so plus 18. So 13t equal 18 plus 8, 26. Then t will be 26 by 13, 1s are 2s are. So we got the value of t as 2. So for this question, the value of t equal 2. Now question number 6. m minus 1 by 2 equal 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So m, I can write it as m by 1, and 1 is also equal to 1 by 1. I'm just doing this to make this one easy. Again, variables on the left hand side. So m by 1 minus, they will come in a bracket and they will come together. Then this minus will come this side, so that will be plus, and m minus 2 by 3, it will be inside the bracket, equal 1. I can write it as 1 by 1. 1 2 3 1. 1 we don't need when we find the LCM, and 2 3, so I will write they are the co-prime. 2 3s are 6, LCM is 6. So all the denominator we have to convert it as 6. So 1 into 6 into 6, and minus 2 into 3. So m minus 1, then 2 into 3. So that total we are going to multiply with 3, plus m minus 2 by 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. Then this total we are going to multiply with 2. 3 you can multiply this side or that side. 2 we can multiply this side or that side, will get the same answer. Then 1 by 1, then into 6 into 6, because the denominator we have to convert into 6 to convert them as a like fraction. Now we got 6m minus, so minus 3 into m, minus 3m, minus minus plus 3 into 1, so plus 3, plus 2 into m, 2m, plus minus, minus 2 into 2, you got minus 4, divide by 6, equal 6 by 6. Again we cancelled. Now 6m minus 3m, we got 3m. 3m plus 2m, you got 5m. Plus 3 minus 4, we got minus 1, equal 6. Then 5m equal 6, minus will come this side, plus 1. Then 5m we got as 7, so we can continue. M equal, we got 7 by 5. So for this question, the value of m equal 7 by 5. Now next question, question number 7 is 3 into t minus 3 equal 5 into 2t plus 1. Now we are going to simplify the bracket. 3 into t, 3t, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 5 into t, sorry 5 into 2t, so 5 2s are, I got 10t, and 5 into 1, so I got plus 5. Again the variables on the left hand side, then 3t plus 10 will come this side, so minus 10t equal 5, minus 9 will come this side, so plus 9. Now 3t minus 10t, we got minus 7t equal 5 plus 9, we got 14. Then t equal 14 divided by minus 7. 1s are, 2s are. So t equal minus 2. So for this question, the value of t equal minus 2. Next question, question number 8. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equals 0. Now we are going to remove the bracket one by one. Then 15 into y. So 15y. 15 into minus 4 plus minus minus. So minus 15 into 4 you got 60. Now minus 2 into y. Minus plus minus 2 into y 2y. Minus minus plus 2 into 9 18 plus plus simply plus 5y plus plus simply plus, then 5 into 6 we got 30 equals 0. Now first simplify the variables. 15y minus 2y, we got 13y, and plus 5y, so we got 18y. Now minus 60, first do the plus one. So 18 plus 30, you got 48. So minus 60 plus 48. So I'll make it easy. I'll write one more step. Minus 60, 18 plus 30, 48 equal 0. Then 18y, and that will be minus 12 equal 0. So 18y, this minus will come this side. So it will be plus 12. So y equal 12 by 18. 6 2s are, 6 3s are. So we got y as 2 by 3. So for question number 8, the value of y equal 2 by 3. Now question number 9. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. First simplify the bracket. 3 into 5. 15z plus minus minus 7 3 21. Minus plus minus 9 2s are 18z minus minus plus 11 into 2 22 equal 4 8s are 32z plus minus minus 13 4s are 52 minus 17. Then first simplify the variables on the left hand side. 15z minus 18z, we got minus 3z. Minus 21 plus 22, or you can think like that, plus 22 minus 21, it means plus 1 equal 32z minus 52 minus 17. So if we have two numbers, both are minus, so symbol will be minus and add the numbers. 52 plus 17, we got 69. Now minus 3z, this 32 will come this side, so minus 32z equal minus 69, this plus 1 will come this side, so minus 1. Now 3 and 32, 35, minus minus, it means minus symbol, so minus 35z equal again minus 70. Both side minus we have, minus will be cancelled, so I can write it as 35z equal minus 70. Z equal, sorry, 35z equal 70, then z will be 70 by 35. 7 5s are, 7 10s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, so we got z equal 2. So for this question, the value of z equal 2. Now the last one, question number 10. This is the question. So again simplify the bracket, first this into this, then 0.25 into 4, you'll get 1 f, so I can write it as f. 0.25 plus minus first minus and 0.25 into 3, 0.75 equal 0.05 into 10. So we got 0. It will be 0.5 f, and 0.05 first plus minus minus and 0.05 into 9 we got 0.45. Now f we have, this will come this side. So f means simply you can write it as minus 1f. No constant means we are going to take it as 1. So 1f minus 0.5f equal minus 0.45. This minus will come this side. So plus 0.75. Now 1 minus 0.5. That's why I did here 1. So 1 minus half is simply half. So I can write it as 0.5f equal, and 75 and 45. Think 75 minus 45 is 30. This will be 0.30. Then f will be 0.30 divided by 0.5. So this also I can write it as 0.30, and I'm going to write one more time. It's okay. I just repeated the same thing 2 times. So now if you simplify to make it easy, 30. Suppose if I remove the decimal, so after decimal 2 numbers we have, then divide by 100, then into, if I remove the decimal of the denominator, then after decimal 1 number, then 1 times 0, 10. Now 1 0 cancel, this also cancel, so we got 3 by 5, and when we simplify 3 by 5, so we'll get 0.6. So for the question number 10, the value of f equals 0.6. So hope you are going to like the video, and if any doubt you have in the same type of question or in this question, just watch the video 2-3 times, your doubt will be clear. And if the video is helpful, then like the video, subscribe the channel, and you can also share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.